Biscuit found a snake. You wanna get him, Biscuit? Better be careful. He's gonna get you. He's gonna get away. You gonna get him, kitty? Well, what's up, Rally Peeps? Here we are back again with another installment of I'm cleaning up my crap hole place. So, let me turn you around and show you what we got done here. Oh, we got another fire going. Look at, bam, gone. This right here was that last building that I had sitting. This is all collapsed in pretty much. That covered the, I think this was like the liquid septic tank. I don't know. And this one's like the solids. I don't know. There is, but it used to pump the liquid, I believe, that was in there out to there, which is the drain field. I don't know. But yeah, we're in the final stages of like massive cleanup here. Don't know what I'm going to do with that yet. It's funny, we used to go camping in that. That folds out, and it's a pretty cool camper. I can still smell the smell of going in there because it was all canvas. Pretty cool. Memories everywhere. That's finally all cleaned up. Been working on the rally track a little bit. Hopefully, I'm thinking next weekend I'm going to try to get a dumpster and get all that stuff cleaned up. Stands ready to help out. But today, what we're focusing on today is this last pile of crap over here. So, there's a decent amount of scrap junk in here. Look, more PVC. And just junk, period. So I've already got some stuff loaded up in the truck. Now, that's all this crap. So yeah, I'm gonna get to her. I don't know if I'll get her done today, but I'm gonna try and see how far I can get in there. Alright, here we go. Well, here we are next day, headed to the old scrap yard. Got a full load there, boy. Almost got her cleaned up. Got quite a bit of junk back there, but off to the scrap where we go, get paid to do this stuff. Be alright, so stay tuned. I'll show you what it looks like when we get home. Shouldn't fall in my car, I don't think. Oh, Stan, he come down, say he want to chop some trees. I said, do it. So here we go. It'd be funny if it landed right on that mower. Perfect. Laid her right down right where she needed to be. Man, that's already better. We already got some trees cut down. Got my scrap taken back. It's all coming together, ladies and gentlemen. Alright, I'm gonna cut some of this up with him. I'll check back with you. Yeah, sure, no problem. That made a huge difference. Wow. More drone takeoff. What's that? Yeah. Figured out perfectly. Yeah, awesome. Awesome. Time to get her all cleaned up. Look at that pile. Gotta cut back a little more. Man, shout out to Stan, my neighbor. He hooked it up. Dropped a couple trees there. Make it easier to turn. Eventually these will all come out, but he just stopped down today and was like, hey, you want me to cut some trees? And I was like, hey, sure, why not? So, yep, we got some brush to take care of. Yeah, I didn't get my second load of scrap going, but here, I'll show you how far we got on that today. Made a whole $64 for that whole load of scrap that I had. Got that pretty much cleaned up and knocked out. Had to cut them trees down because look, real quick, this damn tree is growing into my septic. That's probably not good. Hopefully it didn't crack through the cement. That would not be good. Oh, and here's our scrap pile. Number 15 or so, because there's still more over there. This is almost taken care of. Sweet. But it is past lunchtime and I am hungry. So I think that's going to do it for today. Tomorrow I'm heading up to the car show, I think, in St. Ignace, which is always a good time. I don't know, I might take some video, do a couple shorts maybe or something. I'm going to take my drone up and do some flying around. Other than that, that's where we're at as far as progress on the place. It's really starting to come around. I hope you guys enjoyed this little bit. Like I said, this is basically just for me to look back on in 10 years and go, man, I did a lot of work. So I hope you guys have a good weekend. Hope you guys have a good day. Rally on.